Before we get too far into today's video, I want to let you know the latest Boston apparel drop is now live. We have 9 new t-shirts dropping, 2 new tank tops, and 1 new jet tag. If you are in the domestic United States and your order is over $100, you do qualify for free shipping, just selected at checkout. All of the items that are live right now are limited quantity and will not be restocked. The Essentials line, which is the products that we keep in stock year round, those are freshly stocked and available on the site. Thank you guys so much for the support. Now let's jump into today's banger video. What up, my beautiful family? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to hopefully the last wrapping episode you guys ever see of this Evo 10. It should be. We ain't got much left. This is where we left off last night. We have the entire car done, body wise, so all the fenders and everything, all that's done. We have to wrap the front bumper, one side skirt. Need to decide what we're gonna do with the rear bumper. I don't like how that turned out, so we need to fix that. The whole rear bumper is gonna be rewrapped, and then we have little stuff as well, like the door handles, and I think that's it. Just the door handles. First thing we're gonna tackle this morning is the front bumper. This thing needs a little bit of work. So yesterday I did have to fill in these holes that were for the old quick releases. We picked up a JD Customs kit. As you guys can see, it's got the dual mounts on it, so it's gonna help hold the bumper on a lot better. So we gotta sand that flat. Had a little chip out of the corner, I filled that as well. We gotta sand that flat. And then we can knock out all of the inlays. Let's take a look at this real quick, and I'll try to show you guys what I'm thinking I'll do. Thank God we painted the grill section. I do need to go ahead and sand this edge nice and smooth. So as far as inlays go, I'll probably do a section right here, a piece here that's gonna run over here. That'll be different, and a inlay up here. On Evo 10s, there's a very hard line right here that is perfect to hide a vinyl seam mat. So this is gonna be wrapped separately than that, and then of course that side over there. We are all finished up with the entire wrap. I just finished up the last side skirt. Car is done. Wide body panels. This front bumper turned out insane. And then we did go ahead and get the rear bumper redone. It's just all orange now. We tried many different options as far as black vents go and decided that all orange vents was the move on the rear bumper. Let's start slapping this thing back together. Very, very excited to see this thing complete and just come together, get on the ground. Should look sick. I'm really, really excited for this color. There is nothing better than a fresh Varis front end. This thing is looking absolutely insane. Our carbon fiber lip is not back yet. We sent ours in for this car to get recarboned. So this one is Bobby's. It's brand new, thankfully. Let's hope we do not destroy it. Instead of just screwing these side skirts on like they had before, right into the body here, I'm going to run in and grab some riv nuts and some nice Allen heads for those. They look kind of janky before and I want to get that cleaned up a little bit. So let's head in and grab some hardware to get those skirts attached properly. And we are almost done. We have the rear over fenders and maybe a few other little things, roof moldings and whatnot. And I did go ahead and pick up a new set of taillights for the car, which hopefully will look pretty good on this wrap. Holy shit, it is hot. Hot, hot. Let's see what the car says. It's probably a little skewed, but it says 114. Feels like 214. Dudes, the entire car, the entire passenger side is complete. And this is how it looks. This is so sick looking. Everything fits so nice. The charge speed kit fits nice. All the various parts fit really, really nice. I'm not sure if I'm a big fan of the bronze and the orange yet. I think I'm gonna leave it. We can always change it later. All right, let's go ahead and do the same exact thing on the driver's side. New tails are on, they look sick. I'll link them down in the description box below. Now it would be perfect to go ahead, pull the car outside and show you guys how this thing looks in the sunlight. But unfortunately, like I've mentioned the last few days, this thing stopped wanting to start on us. I got it running on the lift. Of course, we just put this motor back in the car. So got it running on the lift. Everything seemed good to go. And then all of a sudden, it just won't start. Let's do some diagnosing and see what's going on. So the car's throwing a P0340 cam position sensor A. Gonna go ahead and swap the intake cam sensor from Bobby's 10 onto this car and see if that takes care of it. I looked at everything else, everything seems fine. The wiring seems okay. It's plugged in, nothing seems out of the ordinary. I don't know if the sensor just randomly went bad on this. Seems a little bit far-fetched, but it could be the case. Weird. I have never actually seen a cam sensor go bad on Evo. First for everything. I wonder what happened. Hopefully I have a spare. Minus the mirrors, this thing is complete. And it looks freaking insane, my dude. Let's do the real test. Let's pull her out in the sun and check out the color in the sun. Because we all know it looks way different in the sun. Damn, this color pops so hard in the sun. That's been a long few days. I'm surprised we even got the wrap done. I do need to powder coat the mirror bases and then we can the mirrors on the car. And then other than that, it's pretty much complete. It looks insane. I'm so excited. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Everything that we installed in this video, I'll link down below. Don't forget Sunday, which I think when you're watching this video, it'll be tomorrow. Slam Enough Portland. Come out and meet the squad, see the cars, and say what's up. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you guys tomorrow.